Alright, future heroes, let's get you ready to jump into the Marvel Rivals beta on your PlayStation 5. First things first, head over to your PlayStation Store on your PS5 console. You'll need a PlayStation account, so make sure you're logged in. Once you are in the PlayStation Store, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Click on it to bring up the keyboard. Now, type in Marvel Rivals. Make sure you spell it correctly, as this will help you find the beta quickly. Scroll through the search results until you find the Marvel Rivals beta. It should have a distinct icon and be labeled as a beta version. Click on the Marvel Rivals beta icon. You'll be taken to the games page. Here, you'll either see a download button, or you might see a button that says request access or something similar. If you see a download button, great, click it to start the download. If you see request access, click that and follow the on-screen instructions. You might need to sign up or link your account. Once the download is complete, the game will automatically install. After it's installed, you'll find the Marvel Rivals beta icon on your PS5 home screen or in your game library. Select the Marvel Rivals beta icon and press X to launch the game, and that's it. You're now ready to dive into the action-packed world of Marvel Rivals on your PS5. Enjoy battling alongside your favorite heroes.